Conferences, seminars, symposium, etc. These events waste a lot of paper during registration. As a solution, a free offline paperless registration app called Papyrus is now available for download. With this app, you can update the event organizer and event title by clicking Settings, Edit Event Organizer, and Edit Event Title, and then click Back. As another form of signature, participants can save their selfie, but this feature can be disabled from the settings. By default, here are the info that participants can fill in during registration, but you can also include other details using the settings button. Then click Register. Users can view the list of participants in Settings, Display List of Participants, and users can delete a participant by a simple swipe gesture. And the best part of this app? You can directly send this info as a CSV file to your computer or other devices. Thus, it saves you a lot of paper and lots of time typing the info from paper to Excel file. To do this, go to Settings, Send List of Participants, Generate CSV, Send CSV.